So the next time you go to hang one of these pre-hung doors, go ahead and try out this little trick, and I guarantee you will be pleasantly surprised. What I like to do here is I like to pre-install my door shims, and rather than the standard old method of doing 2 shims, trying to get this nice and flat and plumb all the way along, you want to just take 1 door shim and come in from the hinge side. You have to come in from the hinge side with the thick part of the shim. Keep them the same direction all the way down. And this little bit of slope is going to make all the difference when it comes to a binding door. Sometimes when you install doors right at the very end, it doesn't want to shut all the way because it's binding on the hinge. With this one direction shim, you're never going to have that problem. And then to speed up the whole process, I will take my 6-foot level and I will pre-mark all of the locations that will correspond perfectly to be just below and above the hinges. I've got those marked out. I'll slap this on here, plumb everything up, attach these with an 18 gauge nailer. It works the best in my opinion. And even if this 2x4 framing is perfectly plumb, I will just go ahead and put the shims on anyways. The minimum kind of distance in here. That way you're going to avoid any kind of binding because this might not be perfectly square, and you avoid that pesky bottom plate that is sometimes just sticking out at the very bottom that causes problems after you've gotten everything installed. That's a real pain. So go ahead and try this method out, and if you want to see the complete start to finish door installation process that I go through, check out this video right over here. If I talk any faster, I might just pass out and hit the floor. Oh my God. Calm down, fella. Calm down.